The text messaging service has been denied error on Visible Wireless has become increasingly common, especially following recent network infrastructure changes. This error appears more frequently on Android devices, though iPhone users can also experience similar messaging problems. The increase in this error is directly related to Visible's transition from their original network model to full integration with Verizon's core network infrastructure. The root causes of this error fall into three main categories. First, account-level issues, which are the most common cause of messaging problems. Second, technical factors involving device and network configuration settings that can prevent proper message delivery. Third, message-specific triggers, where certain types of messages are automatically blocked by security systems. Visible's modern messaging system uses advanced technologies, including RCS integration for rich messaging, carrier aggregation for better coverage, and cloud-native infrastructure for scalability. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, you can perform some quick checks. First, verify your account is active and all bills are paid up to date. Second, check your account settings to ensure premium SMS and shortcode messaging are not blocked, as this is a common default setting that prevents many verification messages. If these basic checks don't resolve the issue, the problem likely requires more detailed troubleshooting steps, which we'll cover in the next section. When facing the text messaging service denied error on Visible, we use a tiered troubleshooting approach. Solutions are ranked by effectiveness, starting with the most successful methods first. Tier 1 solutions have the highest success rate at 70%. The most effective first step is contacting Visible customer service directly. Request an account provisioning refresh and verify that all your services are properly activated. The second Tier 1 solution is enabling premium SMS settings. Log into your Visible account online, navigate to account settings, and enable premium SMS and shortcode messaging. This fixes issues with verification codes and business messages. Tier 2 solutions have moderate success rates around 50%. For Android devices, reset your APN configuration by going to Settings, then Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. Reset to default Visible settings and restart your device. SIM card issues can also cause messaging problems. Carefully remove and reinsert your SIM card, clean the contacts gently with a soft cloth, and request a replacement SIM if the card appears damaged. Tier 3 solutions have lower success rates but are worth trying. Clear your messaging app's cache and data by going to Settings, then Apps, select Messages, then Storage, and clear both cache and data. Restart the messaging app afterward. As a last resort, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Network Settings. Note that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords and mobile network configurations, so you'll need to reconfigure them. Remember these key recommendations. Start with customer service, as they have the highest success rate. Document any error messages with timestamps. Allow 24 to 48 hours for network changes to take effect. Most importantly, these issues are typically account-related rather than device-specific, so don't spend too much time on device troubleshooting before contacting support.